Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Universal Channeling. Channeling the conscious universe. Truth and illusion at third dimension, 3D. By Angel V. Ornedo Jr. February 17, 2019. Awakening is a state of joy and happiness for our mind, body, soul, spirit, MBS, free from separation, duality, and veil, but living every moment with the divine mind. Our reasoning, outlook, and spoken words are suddenly different. The general publics are our opposite in aura and beliefs. We seldom talk unless asked, otherwise you see amazed faces as you speak. We seem alone, a being of soul, as the realization of truth is apparent within self. Despite 3D nuances, rejoice as truth is now open to us now at the Golden Age, similar to divine knowledge known to the soul prior to entry into our body. Reminiscence and I am presence, the divine mind connection are within our grasp. However, whatever illusion we have, it does not matter anymore, as the shift is coming and a new earth, the city of light, is now providing a portal to us. We still thrive on physical illusions of third dimension, but are now partially free from influence of political, financial, mainstream media, religion and science, utilized by the dark to enslave us, feeding us with false beliefs and information. But we now think and speak truth from the soul, as these areas of exploitation have no relevance to our MBS. The wisdom of divine mind, consciousness of Christ and unconditional love flowing to our being through rainbow flames magnify our mind, reminiscence of truth, and bring us closer to human collective consciousness. Dense energies of the carbon body are ringed and wheeled to light with the assistance of the rainbow flames from the magnetic sun and the central sun, source from the photon belt that regulate waves and intense energies in 26,200-year cycle affecting every section of the galaxy. What a wonderful time, a golden age living on Earth. We are the lucky beings at this period of evolution, source assisting and overseeing the event. The human desire for success through greed is now addressed, part of dense energies ringed to the sun. Love and service for others are in full bloom as we realize we are one. Our loving actions and relationships are reflected back to us, one. The golden rule, love others as we love ourselves, guide our thoughts and actions, and the falsity of politics and religion are fully exposed. We remember that we are a fragment, an extension of Source, light crystalline beings. We form and make our world, not subject to time and space, and speak from knowledge of truth from our soul. We are fully liberated from our self-imposed limitations, restraints, and restrictions. We realize we are infinite beings, eternal creator beings, multidimensional, sent by Source as volunteers and signed for this assignment to this 3D world to raise the planet and humanity to a higher vibrational frequency and to reside in a carbon body subject to frailties, difficulties, and trials, further subject to forgetting. We are raising the world to 5th D. We recognize there are 6th to 12th D vibrational frequencies and a series of steps in every frequency, a journey to oneness. Everything is individual as our acts and desires will lift us to our first higher frequency destination. Now, we simultaneously reside at 4th D dream state recharge period, where we experience anything we desire, including flight, bilocation, and telepathy, which are routine at the 5th frequency. We return home and realized we volunteered for the most difficult assignment an evolved being will be exposed to, now passing times. This is a gist and chronicle of where we are, our most beautiful and exciting period, the golden age of human evolution. Awaken, hear, and listen to truth and be aware of who you really are. I am presence, being of infinity and of eternal life, are yours after awakening as we pursue our path to oneness with Source, all that is. Welcome to knowing, the life of a traveler volunteer soul on a path to return to our home, preparing for another volunteer work if we so desire to go to a planet somewhere Source designed for us. Light from Angel V. Ornedo Jr. About the author. Angel teaches love, light, and unity, assist with capitalists' funds to generate livelihood in industrial estates in Southeast Asia, Middle East, and organize corporations that create jobs. Oneness and food in the stomach make us think of truth. Link at ornedojr@gmail.com or connect at Barnes & Noble, Slibris and Amazon.com. Knowing the Infinite Creator or ebooks and articles at the net.